we've been given this rust converter paint to demonstrate for you. Our project is to paint this old rusty flag stand. The packaging comes with a pair of gloves and an applicator brush. Before use, I'm going to shake up the paint. After removing the protective seal, the lid is easy to open. Before applying the rust converter paint, I'm going to make sure any loose rust has been removed. The paint is applying smoothly with very little streaking. The painted metal is drying rapidly. I'm going to seal the container, let the metal dry for 24 hours, and see if it needs a touch-up coat tomorrow. The initial coat of paint I put on yesterday is completely dry. The paint dried within about 4 hours. The paint can be used as a primer or finished as it is. When completely dry, it is a dark gray, light black in color. The paint is also good at repelling water, minimizing future rust. The rust converter paint brought new life to this flag stand that I was initially considering replacing. I would purchase this rust converter paint for completing future projects around my home.